Hi, I'm Yannick from Bossard Switzerland and I'm here today to assemble my Christmas giveaway present. Unfortunately, I'm not the best assembly person, but I have a solution here which helps me assemble the correct product. As you may know, located in Switzerland, we speak Swiss German, which is somehow a complicated language, so that all of our employees with roots from all over the world pick the right cookies. We have the smart camera here, which approves that once you choose a cookie that you pick the right one. Let's start. I have the first cookie to select. And once I place the correct one, it automatically proceeds then to the next cookie. Ilham knows me quite well. After all this hard work, Ilham asked me if I would choose something to drink. Of course, I approve. I choose my favorite drink. 1 second later, it gets served, and I'm ready to go.